To auto turn on or off power saving mode based on your usage pattern on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable adaptive power saving feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery. Tap battery. Tap power saving. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select adaptive power saving. Now, to enable adaptive power saving, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue. When adaptive power saving feature is on, your phone will turn power saving mode on and off automatically based on your usage pattern. As the example, if you use your phone more or you are accessing power intensive apps such as game or streaming services, you may notice that your phone will activate power saving mode more often to help you to save battery life. However, you have to remember that you cannot enable adaptive power saving feature when limit apps and home screen option in the power saving menu is turned on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.